Hi there, I'm going to show you how to make a mask. I think everybody's a bit worried about the coronavirus and what have you. So this is a simple mask, the simplest one you can make. It's 3 layers, which I'll show you in a moment, pleated at the sides, each side, with elastic loops for the ears. So that's what I'm going to show you how to make. So we've got 3 layers. We've got a cotton, you can't see it on the white table, but a piece of white cotton. That's your outer layer, one of the outer layers. You've got a piece of fleece. Be careful because it does tend to pick up little bits of thread, so you don't want to trap those between the layers. They're going to be overlocked all the way around. Obviously, if you haven't got an overlocker, then you can zigzag. But we're going to line those up. Just bring the overlocker so I can reach it. And we're going to overlock all the way round. I think it's better to lift up the foot first. You can just lift it like that, you don't need to use the lever. And keep your layers together to the edge and overlock. Now I'll show you how to turn a corner. Sometimes you find that they may go out of alignment a little bit when you've got 3 layers. So it's worth just snipping here, so that you've got them even before you reach the corner. So we're coming here now. I'm just going to do a few more stitches, needles up, foot up, to pull that out a little and turn that round. And the reason that I've cut that is because you wouldn't be able to do that if you hadn't cut it. So I'm just going to put the foot down, make sure my layers are together, this edge here, and continue. So these outer pieces are cotton, the inner piece is a polyester fleece wadding, which you would use perhaps if you were making a quilt, a lightweight quilt. It's only lightweight. And they are cut to 18 centimetres squared each piece. So I'm going to just check on here. They seem to be not too bad. I'm just going to trim that top one there. Needles up, foot up, turn, pull that out a little bit so you can turn it around to get it back to line. So they now are together. I'm just going to show you here how I mark them. We've got to mark them for the pleats. So I've got my silver quilting marker here, Quilter's Choice it's called. You can use a pencil, make sure it's a very sharp pencil. You only want to make a dot. And here I've got my Omnigrid, and 1.5 inches down I'm just going to put a dot there. This is on the wrong side. 2 inches from there, so then at 3.5 another dot there, and then at 5.5, and then I just push that along. Just bring that so you can see. Push that along to do the same at the other side. So we've got 1.5 inches in, make a dot. You might not be able to see the dots there, but I can. 3.5, and then 1 at 5.5. So now bring you over, lots of clanking, to the sewing machine. And I've got the machine set on a zigzag. It's on 2 to 2.5 long, and the widest zigzag that I can do on this machine. So I've got my elastic at the ready. This is wrong side up, so this is the side that goes against your face. Here are our marks, here, here and here, to help us form the pleats. I do this in one. You can put the elastic on separately afterwards if you prefer, but I think we save time doing this. So if you come forward and reverse, the needle is down to bring the foot up and push that over to there, because we want this to be nice and secure. So we're going to go over this a few times. Okay, now here's the first pleat. So there is the mark there, and I'm going to push that up towards the elastic to create that. Actually, I'm going to do it the other way because I think it's better to do it there. Okay, so we're coming forward, reversing, and then needle down, because we're now going to form the next pleat. So your dot is on the top and you're pushing it away from you. So when you're looking at the side here, you're looking at about 1 centimetre, perhaps a little bit more than 1 centimetre. Continue down, reverse. When we come forward, that will mean that each pleat will have been stitched 3 times. So there's the last pleat. We're coming forward, reverse, needle down. I'm out of the way now so I can attach this end of the elastic to here. So this elastic is right side here, the side that you've got uppermost. Bring that around until that uppermost side, you're turning it down to sit together onto the fabric there, onto the corner. So we're going to come down, back, needles down. I'm now going to come forwards and reverse, and that is doubled, so you're not getting any raw edges of the elastic, and it's nice and secure. Now for the other side. So I've got my elastic here. We're going to come forward and reverse. Needle is down. Lift your foot. Pull that over, nice and secure. Come forward. Reverse. Make that nice and secure. And then go back out of the way so that you can form the pleats on this side. So here is my dot here. I'm not sure if you can see, I think you can just about see it. And I'm going to bring this in line with that one, so it's pleating towards us on this side. Reverse forwards, sorry, come forwards and then reverse. That's nice and secure. Make sure you've got a line, the pleats aligned as you go. And then the last one here. So that's nice and even. Now we're out of the way, so here's the elastic, the other side. So as that is lying this way up, uppermost, you're going to take that, that's the upper side, and churn it so that it's right sides together. Come forwards, reverse, needle down, foot up, so that you can pull that across, so that you can now secure it on this side, and just do a little bit more there. Lovely, that's nice and secure. Snip those threads, and voila, you have your mask. Well, thank you for joining me. Yeah, give it a like if you can, and you take care. All the best. Bye.